away. You have kids with her, you can't just walk away. You get married, you can't just walk away. Then you're going to see who she really is when she got some leverage on you.
That's a fact. Never let a chick get no leverage on you, or at least the amount of leverage as you could possibly get. Because I'm telling you, a woman in control is a scary fucking thing,
power,
my nigga.
corrupt, absolutely.
That's
and when
fact.
women got some power, they don't know how to act.
Because at the end of the day, and I don't care if it's controversial, like, at the end of the day, all women's actual power comes from the backing of a man, some type of way. I don't give a fuck if it's your mom's, I'm gonna get my sons, or I'm gonna go get my brothers, or whatever. You could be the president. It ain't gonna be no all-female army. It's gonna be men in the army that's gonna have to come in for shit. So I feel like if at the end of the day, men, we handle power a little differently, because we know we would have to, if all else fails, we'll have to come in physically enforce whatever needs. So we know how to. I got a saying: if you can't make it, you can't spend it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like giving somebody your credit card. Yeah, go ahead, get something. They ain't work for that money. They gonna order, boop, boop, boop. You know what I'm saying?
That's a fact. She ain't got to go to the front line. She gonna be a little bit more easy to be like,
Come on, my nigga.
It's a problem.
They ain't looking for no sale or no deal. Oh, just get it. How much it costs? Oh, I don't know. The fuck you mean?
Oh, man.
So that leverage is power, and I don't think, if you want to go to the times of the Bible and shit, like, I don't feel like women are meant to have that power and shit. That's why I like believe in real roles. Like, women supposed to be feminine and men supposed to be masculine. Having power is a masculine type of trait or whatever it's called. You know what I'm saying? So once they get that power over you, nigga, they're gonna abuse it. Damn near every time.
Every time.
It's a fact. So Billy Beware. We need a segment called Billy Beware. Just roll a camera and follow him for the next year.
Man, I'm talking about stress. I'm talking about that leverage is.
I got kids.
Yeah, we all got kids.
All right.
So we've been through that with leverage with kids, and I've been through it leverage with marriage.
Man, I never knew who my baby mama was until we had a child together. And she started talking to me so crazy. I was like, who the
Facts.
I'm like on the phone, like, who is this? I didn't understand it at the time that she had some power over me. Man, so you never know.
And what he's saying is not rare. This shit happens with multiple niggas was telling me that before I had kids. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I wish somebody would have told me.
Nigga, you always think, nah, that ain't not mine. Nigga,
all right,
they'll switch up. They'll switch up, but you just gotta more than not give a fuck. You know what I'm saying?
That's the only way.
It only works with the niggas that care about their kids and being a real father.
That's it.
The deadbeat niggas block them. They don't know the nigga address, nothing. They trying to call the mother, hey, can he come spend time with his kid, all kind of shit.
Yeah.
But it only works with niggas that care.
Nah, that's fucked up. That's the only way. Or you gotta act like you don't care.
You gotta act like you don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Bitch, I don't fuck you and them kids. Then they gonna talk to you nice.
Straight up.
You want to be a single mother? Go ahead. Straight up.
Hey, any of y'all on child support?
Nah, I got full custody of my son.
Okay.
Well,
damn, congrats, bro.
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
I gotta try next month.
It's fucked up that's the only way that I could have, I could be with my son is I had to get full custody because it was too many games the other way.
That's a fact.
I'd like for it to be joint custody, but it's still just not fair. So, power got to be in a man's hand. I dole out the situation fairly. I'm in a position where I could be taxing her for child support. No, you can't do this like she do me, but I don't do that. That's why a man need to have the power.
Talk that shit.
I ain't gonna be emotional with it.
We gonna keep it fair every single time, man. I didn't hate, man. Listen, man, this shit's so crazy. I had to go to court and fight for having my kids joint custody. You know what I'm saying?
Just for joint custody.
I had to go fight for joint type shit. This shit's so crazy that, like you said, we don't think emotionally. We not gonna. I'm trying to get you back. I'm trying to pay back. Yep. We gonna make the best decision for the child.
Exactly.
Most times, if you're a real man, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. We not thinking about it. Oh, you got a new bitch and all that kind. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit at all. You feel me? But it's all kind of games that people play, or that the woman would play. That I tell all my niggas, like, don't just go along with, man, she ain't gonna let me see my nigga. Go to court and go get what you the fuck could get. You know what I'm saying?
Go down there before she do.
At all. Yeah. And then even still, then you might have problems because you might go to pick up your kid and all of a sudden she going, you know what I'm saying? Now you got to figure it out how to, real shit.
Yeah.
So even still, it's a test. Like, he got absolute final power with the fucking full custody. Yeah. Straight up. Yeah. And that's the way to go if a nigga get it.
You probably don't bother her, huh?
What you mean?
You probably don't bother your baby moms, huh?
No,
I'm just saying, but the other way around, you have full custody.
I don't ask her for a motherfucking thing. Matter of fact, I'll spend my money sending my son to see her and pay for the flight back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just for him. You know, ain't got nothing to do with her.
Yep. But oh man, I'm going through. I got a trial next month for child support, trying to get my son to live with me. So.
You know what's crazy about your situation is that it's like if you stay and just be a bum ass nigga that like there's nothing for them to get or want, but it's like your work ethic and coming up. Now they want to come for that. Yeah. A lot of what I see is a lot of chicks that they be wanting spousal support, not child support. Because real niggas gonna pay for their child, everything. Yeah. I'm gonna pay for my child and you. Come on, we go on vacation, I got your flights, my child, whatever. You ain't gotta pay for nothing. Just my kids got their own credit cards and shit. But what they want is they feel like, why you keep coming up? Why your house is getting bigger? Yeah, why you're like, and I do this shit because I work. You in the position you at because you either don't work or you don't have ambition. You don't get to just, a child don't make you get to latch along with a nigga as he comes up in life. The child could come up with me. Yeah. And if you working with me as the mother of the children and you trying to work to help build, if you working with me, then cool, you could live. But working against me, that ain't. Yeah. I can't fuck with that. Yeah. I can't let you be a part of shit I got going on because you not trying to help. You should be supporting I don't give a fuck. A nigga drop, you need to post every God is Great paper straight sweater. You need to, every time nigga drop a song, if I got a house, you need, hey, guess what? Baby dad, what do you need me to do? Do you need me to go to Lowe's and be on top of these contractors for renovations? Right. Hey, you need me to need the cars washed, like whatever. But they don't do that. They want to work against you. Yep. And they ask you for the shit.
Work against you. Man, hey, my baby mama name in my phone for years was #1 enemy because I swear to God, man.
My shit called child support whore. I got her shit set as child support whore.
Nigga, look, when I tell you, look at my shit, nigga, my shit, man, look, nigga, look, come on, man.
Yeah, Billy, take notes.
Come on, nigga, that's how true it is.
See, niggas don't know. I wish somebody would have took me when I was younger and just threw me up against the wall like, nigga, don't have kids because, man, I'm telling you, this shit is stressful.
Oh, you just gotta buy a surrogate. It just be like, yo, hey, how much? Let me get a surrogate mom. Hey, I'm gonna pay for your eggs. And let me just have, and now these my kids and that's it.
For real, man. I used to want to have a bunch of kids and a big legacy. I'm like, nah, it's too much of a roll of the dice with these women.
That's a fact. Especially if you care and you give a fuck. If you don't give a fuck, it's whatever. Yeah. Nigga, the nigga that don't give a fuck, having 10, 20 kids, whatever. It don't matter. But if you give, and then it's sad that you gotta put, because a lot of, I don't know, I can't say all women are bipolar, but a lot of them are. Man. You might pick and find a good one in there, but it's sad that you gotta put they name in your phone and some crazy shit just so you don't forget and get fucked up.
Hey, that's all it is, because the nigga be,
I'll forget. Next to that,
I got to remember.
This is who calling me.
Yo,
it's child support.
But check this out.
I get it now. Look at his shit.
Look,
I had to write a paragraph for my shit. And she be like, hey, you take me out the phone and that? Nope, I don't give a fuck.
You'll make me forget.
My shit called child support whore. You know what I mean? But then it's like, I blocked this in September. She can't contact me. Yeah. But like, I don't think she should have access to contact a man like me.
Hey, man,
my son, he hit me up. I figure it out. But I'd rather never speak to her.
And you know they can't never honestly tell you anything that we did to them.
Nah, they can't.
It just
be I be wondering, like, what do you tell people about me, right?
You feel me?
Like, cause your friends dislike me. I got my son. Like, what are you telling these people?
I got my son. Like, what can you say? I'm a deadbeat. How? You can't say nothing.
But you know what? Hey, it's always the guy. If you're a dad who cares about his kid, you'll get harder than the guy who don't care. Yeah, 100%. The guys who want to be involved with their kid's life, they're like, you know what? You can't see him now. Yep. My dad told me the realest thing a long time ago. He said it's gonna hurt, but I stand by it. He's like, oh look, show us your kids. Tell her the kids will see when they grow up. You can have more kids. It don't matter. She ain't gonna want you to be a real single dad. Trust me. He's like, it may hurt you for a little month or two, but the kids ain't gonna remember that little 2-3 months they ain't see you. Yeah, just step back for a little bit,
hey, that's and now she go,
and then she go throw the kids back on you. I'm over there going, oh, I can't see my kids. I'm like 27, 28 years old. I'm riffing about not being able to see my kids down there crying, and I gotta tell like, yo, look. I don't think my kids remember that time when I could have seen them for those few months. They grown now. They don't remember that 2-3 months we was going through it. Yeah. That 1 week and I ain't get to see them. Yeah. They don't remember that. So I pulled back and was like, yo, let's see me when they grow up. It's all right. I gonna have more kids over here. I'm good. Now she throwing them on my doorstep. Now take your sons. Take them. Take them.
See,
I'm like, damn.
They play with you.
Yeah. But, it worked out. And I'm like, you know what? As a man, you always have other kids. It's messed up, but you can't more kids. But who want to be stressed all day about not seeing your
cold shit?
You got more.
As a man, you got more kids. That's a fact.
You have multiple kids, but you know how hard it is? You trying to get a bag. You know how much responsibility you have a man? You trying to be rich in real life. You trying to get the money. You stressing, you battle with the world. And then you got to go battle to see your kids. Like, I ain't battling to see my kids. I just had some more kids. Fuck it.
You know what's good? I feel like every woman that knows she got a decent or good kid's father, baby father, however you want to call it, she should work with that nigga to help him.
Yeah.
Go whatever he doing in life, work with that nigga. You know what I'm saying?
I be like, my baby mama could have had it all. I would have did whatever. I'd have made sure she was riding clean, this, that, and third. It's like, if you'd have just supported what I was doing and helped me do what I'm doing, you could have lived the best life. But bitch, you're stupid. You fucked it off now.
Yeah. That's a fact. Like, and it ain't nothing for a nigga to help out and add to your situation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Why we helping out other people or strangers and shit, but it's a slap in the face to help somebody when you got them on child support or some shit.
Man, listen,
like just dumb shit.
My baby mama would talk shit to me in the car I bought her. Like, I ain't shit. I'm like, bitch, you sitting in the car I bought you right now talking shit about me.
Nigga, how it's worse when they talk shit, but when they dress up, they wear the gifts that you bought them.
Yeah, crazy.
You wearing Rolexes I bought you.
They want to downplay everything you done did for them.
It's a fact. You wearing bags I bought you. Like, look, you shitting me? It's audacity.
But check this out.
Audacity.
Look, we all got recognition. We're all popular. We're popular people, right? So we popular folks. How many? Your baby mom probably had a boyfriend after you and everything, but still say that's my baby daddy. Right? But I'm just saying, but like they bragging about who their kid dad is. You know what I mean? But like, why you talking about who your other ex was? Why you bringing me up? You know what I mean? Like, shit, my kid mother tell everybody I'm an ex. I would never tell anybody I even touched to that woman. You know what I mean? It's been down there. But everybody around know, I'm like, hold on, she been married after me. Should have had multiple relationships after me, but, that's my ex.
Yeah, she hang on to you.
Huh? Yeah, nah.
That's the clout. She bring you up.
Yeah, you want the clout, but you try to bring me down, too.
The funny shit be when it be weird shit where, like, the niggas they fucking with or meeting, the niggas will know you and shit, and they be like low key. They don't say nothing to. But I know mine. She be like, man, these niggas be weird. All of a sudden, they just wanna. They act like they don't know. Then something they slip and try to bring you up or some shit.
Yeah. Yep.
I be like, you mean weird niggas. Like,
super.
That said a lot about you. You know what I
mean? I did my baby mom's dirty one time because we fight about this whole child support stuff. Like, look, I take care of her. Anything he need, he good. She hit me with some because he got involved. I was gonna leave this motherfucker out, but he got involved one time and served me some documents. All right. Oh yeah. All right.
Never get involved.
You involved. So he served me some paperwork. So
he a sucker, man.
I said, okay. So now check this why I did that sucker. She called me and said, you need to send us some money. We need food. Like, she stayed in this man's house, and she asked me for money for food in the refrigerator. Right? You know what I did? He texted me a long time ago. I like, yo, man, what's your cash app, man? I heard a little tough over there, man. Let me send you some bread for the house. I need groceries. That nigga was
nigga, you should have upped it a notch and put them in a group chat when you said that. Put a screenshot. Yo, hey, she's saying yo. So now, hey, y'all talk about that. You tell me why you asking this man for money. You know what I mean? You gotta put people in group chat and let them talk about that. Straight up. Why you bitch asking me for some money for groceries?
He was hurt. I was like, if I buy a gallon of milk for the house, who gonna drink it? Your kid gonna drink it too? Or who drinking a gallon of milk in your house? We're trying to figure it out. So yeah, but I was gonna go deep. I wanted to run into him, so I give him $200 if I see him. Like, hey man, give the little handshake. Hey, here's for the house.
Was good. You should cash out. Let me send you something.
That nigga served you some papers. That's
crazy.
I would never did no shit.
I would never.
That's crazy. Bitch with me would never even ask me no silly shit like that. Like,
nigga.
Yeah. So I embarrassed him because he's like, oh yeah, I see you try to use your money against me. He's like, yeah, motherfucker, your girl asked me for money right now, and she stayed with you. So hey.
Trying to use your money against me is crazy. You just saying that.
Yeah.
Man, whatever. He sound like a bitch. Like, he sound like a bitch.
Yeah, that sound like a fraud.
You got some money, it means something. The fuck is you talking about?
But here's the worst part. He bringing up my personal stuff like that. You watch my podcast. I'm like, yo, how is it when you and your girl in the bed watching my podcast, watching my interviews.
Funny as hell.
And I found that out because somebody I did an interview with, she hit them up by subpoena because of an interview or something like that. I'm like, damn, and it was a 2-hour interview. I'm like, yo, you and your girl that's sitting there watching me to get some bread? Is it that serious? I go on and on, man, but leverage, Billy. Hope you understand that shit, man. That leverage.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, I'm just saying, y'all.
Nigga, don't even get a bank account with a chick. Nigga, don't never buy a house with a chick. You buy your house and you can move her in if anything.
Yeah, for real. Don't put her on a lease.
Hell
nothing.
no, nigga. It even be down to this, like the number one shit that a lot of niggas do in the hood, and they fuck them up every time. They don't be having no credit and no paperwork, and they'll go take their little deposit of money and put a car in a chick name, and nigga, she get mad, she report that shit stolen or whatever. Have your shit repo and you be fucked up because she got the leverage, any type of leverage. Your car, her name, nigga, or you at her apartment, you might be paying all the bills, but it's her apartment. No, now you get the fuck out type shit.
Hey, the only way a woman act right is when she know you can walk out the door today.
That's a fact.
So always put yourself in a position where you can walk out today. It should always act right.
That's a fact. That's a fact, though.